All right, we're going to get started with this one. This is problem number 1 from the study guide. So we're going to, the polygons are similar, but not necessarily drawn on a scale. Find the values x and y. So when you're doing a problem like this, it's important to kind of match up your sides. We got these they kind of go with each other. We got these two, that one, and this one go with each other. And last, let's do this color. These two go together. So you can see those are the ones that go with each other. So the only one that I put in color with no variable is 54 over 18. That's the only one that doesn't show up with a variable. So that's what we're going to use twice. So the first one we're going to do, since we did 54 on top, that is the big shape on the left. That means whatever I decide, if it's the purple one or the blue one, I have to put 27 or 30 on top. So let's do 27. I'll put 27 on top, and then x plus 8 on bottom. Let's get rid of this down here, because we're going to write down here. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply 54 times this. So when you're doing this, you're going to write it like this. And then you're going to do is you take 18 times 27 and get 486. That's 27 times 18. So then we're going to distribute. You get 54x plus 432 because 486. That's good. We subtract 486 minus 432. Yep. We subtract both sides by 432. And we'll be left with 54x equals 54. So that means if I divide by 54, remember simple algebra, you should get x equals 1. So that's how we get the first answer. Just like that. Let me leave it there for a second. I'm going to erase everything and find my y value. So you could use a different fraction by plugging the y, but it's nice to just stay consistent, use 54 over 18. So my next one, once again, I chose 27. I'm going to choose 30. 30 divided by, no, that's blue, goes with blue, 2y. So now I'm going to cross multiply again. Now it doesn't matter which one, I can do this times this and put it over here, this times this and put it over here, it doesn't matter. So we're going to take 54 times 2, you get 108, y. And 18 times 30 and get 540 right here. Now all I got to do is divide by 108, divide by 108, and get that to be 5. So y equals 5. So remember, there's two answers problem, and those are my two answers. X equals 1 and y equals 5.